Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. They're lying to us. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. Hey girl, I thought...
Oh, God bless you. Oh. I'm working
You should be out here with me.
Yeah.
He said we already spoke. I'm there. Oh, did I see him today somewhere?
Yeah, over
Okay.
at,
I told her.
Where
I said
at?
the
The
flat
library.
Earth lady's here.
That's it. I'm the flat Earth lady.
That's all right. It's a good lady to be.
Yeah.
You got a rough day to be out here.
It's horrible. It is horrible.
You know, even I'm like, even if you look at the rays of the sun, I said if that sun was wherever it's supposed to.
That's
and like,
right.
There's the moon.
That's
now,
right.
In the Philippines, it's the opposite. They're looking
Yep.
at the same moon.
Yeah.
That's not possible for on
Right.
a ball.
The other side. Right.
Yeah,
I know.
idiots. They're like,
I know.
well, oh yes, it is. We were scientists. They told us
Yeah.
that. I'm like, who the heck are these scientists?
I just went to Westchester College this week, and they really were impressed because I brought out my lab coat.
Oh, yeah, really.
They said, "Oh, we're listening to you now."
Yeah.
No, but I got a lot of them thinking. They were
Good.
really thinking. You got to watch some of my videos.
Absolutely. I gotta get.
Yeah. Maryland's spirit level. Maryland's spirit level.
No, I know. But you know what? I have this. I gave that to my friend.
Yeah, go ahead. Take what you want. Take the
Yeah,
bottom
I'll take
ones.
another
That
one.
top one is stuck, so I
Paulie,
don't lose it.
you've got to watch it. See, they're all into, you know, like the globe was in the classroom from the beginning on.
Yeah, because they're
Stays
lying.
that
See,
way.
we are trained to be
From
good
birth, yes.
and not lie. So
Yeah.
we don't think anybody else lies. But the government lies. There's
Praise
two
God.
different sets of rules.
That's right. There's
Two
and
different
ours.
sets of rules. That's
Do
right.
what we say, not as we do.
That's exactly
And you
right.
know what? They know because even the UN map is.
Right here.
They know.
Right there.
Yeah, they know. They know.
Of course they know.
I'm like,
Of course they know.
Little ice ball. Keep all the water in.
Exactly right.
What do
Here you
think
go,
it's
sir.
blue up there for? Because there's water above the firmament dome or whatever.
Yeah.
God made a perfect environment.
Yep.
We screwed all up.
Yeah, we do. Yep.
Oh.
And they want us to pay for their mistakes.
Yes.
So
And then they're like, well, what about the Milky Way galaxy? I'm like, well, remember when they were doing those, shooting up whatever? They probably tried to crack through it.
Yep.
It's like a little.
oh yeah, Operation Fishbowl.
Yes, yes.
They send up rockets and all. Yeah, trying to crack it.
God bless you. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, dear.
I keep talking.
That's all right.
It's only one.
Good to see you.
We're trying to get to about 3 or 4 different of these
That's all
communities.
right.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
This is the big day.
Yeah, it's a little windy though.
Yeah, it is.
We never landed on the moon.
No, we didn't.
That's right. Oh, crap. I lost it again. We never landed on the moon. Government's lying to us. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Earth is nope, we did not. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. Here you go, take a card, you can look it up yourself. Yeah, you can have whatever you like there.
Sure, thank you.
Do you have a question about? No, not the top one. That holds the other ones down.
Gotcha. No, I do not hold or have any questions here. Just
I can tell you a couple of things that'll really make you think.
okay. Sure.
So this is the best flat Earth map that we have. North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. All these world organizations use the flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. They don't want you to know that it goes around the outside edge. This is Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. We have a curvature formula, 8 inches times a mile squared. Okay? If that's true, then we can see that right there. It should be hidden under 2,400 feet of curvature. But it's right there. That's like a 240-story building. It should be down. We should be looking through water to see it. See? And the same thing when you're in Australia. How does a compass work at the North Pole? You'd have to be looking through the Earth to see it. Okay? But no, the compass works. Like it's on a flat plane. Here's reflection on a flat surface is a line. That's reality. But if it's a curved surface, all you get is a little spot. Okay, now what's so funny? Why don't you tell me what you think you know and I'll show you what's true.
I'm not a scientist, so.
Okay, well, I am. Here you go, sir. You can look this up yourself. Here's a brochure with 10 things on it. That'll make you think. But this is what NASA gives you. NASA gives you lies. It's all computer-generated images. And there are no real pictures from space. There was a high-flying plane that took a picture out of a porthole. And that's all been exposed now. Government is lying to us big time. And they're teaching lies to our kids in the schools. That's child abuse. I went to the school board and told them they got to knock that off.
So how do the like GPS systems and things of that nature?
GPS is ground positioning system, not global. There aren't really satellites up there. There is no.
Then how are they flying around the Earth?
No, the satellites do not. There is no satellites unless they're on a weather balloon. That's the only way. They put them up there for temporary to take pictures, and then they try to fool us like they're up there all the time, but they're not. They come crashing down with the balloon still attached. We have pictures of that. In Brazil, we got one. It's nutty. I'm telling you, they are lying to us.
Why would they lie?
If they can fool us, they can rule us. Did you know the kings never wanted the serfs to read? Because knowledge is power. Educated people are hard to control. The government means control the mind. So if they can lie to us, then we don't really know what's true. We don't have any power.
We'll go down here and then we'll come back.
Have a good day. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
For you, I took her the
We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball.
I like it.
We never landed on the moon. Earth is not a spinning ball. You can look this up yourself, young man. I'll look it up. You're welcome. Yeah, we never landed on the moon, you know. You know why? Because space is fake. Here, you can look it up yourself. You can take it. Look it up on the internet. We never landed on the moon. Oh, I'm sorry, honey, you don't have any arms. We never landed on the moon. The moon is not a rock. We do not live on a spinning ball. Come over here. Sure, you have nothing better to do, right? Did you ever hear about this? The flat earth? Did you ever look into it?
I feel like I saw you once.
Yeah, I've been around. Yeah, I've been to Boyertown, I've been to Skipback. Yeah, I'm all over the place. I'm on that website too. You can look me up. But yeah, so did you ever look into this? Does somebody have a bag here? There you go. Hold on to it. Yeah, did you ever look into this? Any of the kids talk about it?
No.
Do you have any questions about it? Because I can help you answer some questions. It's very important that you know the government will lie to you. That's the most important lesson. So you got to always question both sides and make a decision yourself what's true. Don't let people lie to you. They do. And the government is lying big time. Yeah. So if you're going to pay taxes when you grow up, you got to know that the government just lies and lies. And so we're all kind of like stuck. We're stuck paying these taxes and working for the government. And it's not good. We all got to, rise up and say, no, we're not doing that anymore. That's what we got to do. So hopefully your generation will have more people and will say, we're not doing this anymore. Right? I don't want the kids being taught lies. Horizon is always at your eye level. See, that's why I have this. I go, the horizon is always at your eye level. Now let me teach you something here. This is perspective. Perspective, you ever hear of the vanishing point? Yeah, well, look at it is. This is what it, when you look down a long hallway, all the walls and the top of the ceiling and the floor, they go into a point, and it's so far you can't see it anymore. That's called the vanishing point. See, when it's just the sky and the sea, it's called a vanishing line. That's why, when you see the ships disappear, they're not going over a curve, they're just going into the vanishing line. That's what that is. So when people think they see something, it's really not that, it's something else. This is what artists and architects, they know how to do this, make drawings that look like they go off into a distance. Are you with that lady there? Okay, she's waiting for you. But look it up on the internet, honey. Puppy dog, hi. Oh.
Look, she wants somebody. This is Rosie.
Hi, Rosie. How are you, honey? I have 4 at home, and they're just a little smaller than that.
Cockapoos? Are they cockapoos?
No. I have 2 Yorkies, a long-haired Chihuahua, and a Pomeranian.
Okay.
We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Government is lying to us. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying. We never landed on the moon. The government is lying about that. And a lot of other things. We never landed on the moon. You can't land on it, it's not a rock. We never landed on the moon. Government's lying. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. Did you ever look this up?
I believe you.
I got the science. All you got's a religion. We never landed on the moon.
Okay.
We don't live on a spinning ball. I got the science. All you got is religion.
Okay. That's like a big wave that came through.
We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. Earth is not a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us.
May or may not be coming.
We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. We never landed on the moon.
That's what my mom says.
Nope, she's right. You ought to listen to her.
Argue with her.
We never landed on the moon. You can't land on it. It's not a rock. Earth is flat. We never landed on the moon. The government is lying to us. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying. Did you ever hear about this, sir? You like science?
I don't worry about anything. I trust God.
Yeah, me too. And he said the earth is flat.
Whatever.
We never landed on the moon. Right here.
Okay,
That's right
all
out of the Bible. That's his all the Bible stuff. You want to take this? You can take it home and take it.
I don't.
Take it home.
I'll give it to my buddy. I'm not interested.
There you go. We never landed on the moon. You can't land on it. Come talk to me. I'll teach you some science.
No, that's not science.
It is science. You know, spinning ball is a religion because you got to believe what they tell you. You can't test any of it. No, you can't. None of it. The horizon's always at your eye level. That can't happen on a spinning ball. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us.
Okay. Hope you get more hits than my daughter did with it. She didn't get it. Yeah, I think when she signed up for T-ball, I was the smallest bat they had. She was probably about her size. She was that jump swing. There you go. Don't hurt your brother with it. Okay? Yeah. Take it easy.
We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us.
flies away.
There's 10 things in here that'll make you think.
Yum flatter.
Are you? Awesome. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. That's true. It is true. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying.
Somebody said something and she started pulling much stuff. Yeah. Not raining.
We never landed on the moon. The government's lying. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying. Here, take one.
Thank you.
Look it up. There's a website on there.
Okay, thank you.
We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us. We never landed on the moon. Government's lying about that and more. Take a card along and look it up. We never landed on the moon. We never landed on the moon. Government's lying.
But I know we need these. I know, they are so cute. I'm an aunt, and fun. The kids need these all the time. I'm always watching them. It's driving me crazy. I know you more I'm trying to wean them off, but it is helpful to have. Yeah, extra. Yeah, I'm really always watching them. Constant.
We never landed on the moon. The government is lying. Earth is not a spinning ball. It's a flat plane. You can look it up yourself.
No, thank you.
We never landed on the moon. Government is lying. Earth is not a spinning ball. There's science behind it. We got the science. The Earth is not a spinning ball.
Yep. I know. Big old flyers come through early in the morning. Yeah. Yeah.
The Earth is flat. I got the science. We never landed on the moon. The government's lying to us about that. So do you know this for yourself? Why don't you look into it yourself?
I don't know.
Truth matters.
It does.